Way up north in Tonasket, apples and pears are almost ready for harvest. And here among the trees, you'll find one energetic person spreading the word to thousands of people.
All right, we are doing our first picking of Honeycrisp apples, and it's a little crazy. It's a bit sunny today, which is wonderful for picking, but terrible for filming.
Caitlin Thornton considers herself an agriculture influencer, teaching thousands of followers on TikTok numerous things about apples and orchards. Now, although she has 3 other siblings, it turns out that her passion and love for farming led her to be the only one to follow in her dad's footsteps.
I was the one who's like, I love agriculture. Now he has me, who is like, always like, Dad, can we hang out? Can you tell me this? And he's like, all right, relax.
Right now, Kate's a marketing major at Washington State University, but her involvement in both ag and business started early on in high school.
I wanted to make a little side money, so we had these apricot trees. He's like, if you sell 20 boxes, I'll be impressed. And I sold 44 that year.
Okay, so that was his reverse psychology motivation happening.
Yeah, he knows what works with me because I'm basically the female version of him.
Okay.
Sold over 400 boxes that first year, and then my senior year I sold 1,200 boxes of fruit.
What?
And I just keep it going.
When she isn't studying in Pullman, Kate's here working in the orchard. And today, she's using that business acumen to put somebody else to work, me.
So we bring out all the bins and then we load them up on the truck here. And then we have to throw straps, so that's like this final part right here.
Hold this.
Okay.
Whichever hand you throw it. You just want to get it over the bin.
Right.
So aim above the bin.
And you don't let go of this, obviously. I want to hold on to that. Jeez. We'll see what we can do here, right?
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. Look at that, first shot.
There we go.
That was...
Go home, take a break.
All right, take a break. I got it. All right, now let's go tighten this down. Okay. Because, you know, this is what I do now. I'm going to leave Washington Grown and I'm going to start driving truck.
And when I was younger, I really didn't have a whole lot of muscle, so this was like, I really had to use my leverage.
When you were younger, right.
In my younger days.
Right. How tight does it need to be?
I flick it. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
That's the sound you want.
Nice job. F sharp. Okay.
F sharp.
Our last stop was way up in the hills, where a special variety of apple was nearly ready for harvest.
So this is like one of our top varieties that we grow. So it's a new apple called Sugar Bee.
Sugar Bee. Look how beautifully shiny that is.
Yeah, so that's what we call fruit finish. So one thing I've made videos about this is how we check fruit finish. Is my dad's always told me to take your lip and just kind of rub it along.
Okay, and what am I feeling for?
You feel how smooth that is?
Yeah.
I've done the same thing with my pickup after I wax it.
When you hear it.
I know.
Come on.
Speaks for itself.
How do I make a TikTok video? What do we do? Let's make one right now.
All right, you want people to feel like they're alongside with you, so you're
Okay.
kind of just carrying them through. Hey y'all, so I'm with my friend Tomas. He is from Washington Grown TV. He is all the way up here in Tonasket, Washington. I'm showing him one of our new apple varieties. This is called a Sugar Bee. Let's show him a little crunch action.
Listen to this.
You just got a free promo.
Yeah, you see that?
I'll bill you.
There you go. Oh shoot, you see that? Millions of people are gonna be watching that and she's gonna send us a bill.